The global healthcare IT space is brimming with new advancements as health information technology has revolutionized patient care and healthcare services across the world. Healthcare IT provides secure sharing of patient information for healthcare providers to better manage patient care. During COVID times, the use of healthcare IT was felt much more valuable than ever before. At MediCircle, we present to you Healthcare IT Manager series. We are here discussing the challenges and opportunities that the healthcare IT shall bring about to the world post-COVID with the eminent IT personnel of Indian healthcare system. I'm Smita Kumar, and in this series today we have with us Parth Mishra. Parth Sarthri Mishra is a senior manager of healthcare IT working at JP Hospital, Noida. He is a healthcare IT professional with more than 12 years of enriched experience of on-site and off-site implementation of healthcare management information system across the leading healthcare IT providers. So, hi Parth, welcome to MediCircle.
Hi, Smita. Thanks for inviting me.
So, Parth, please brief like what is being a healthcare IT manager, what challenges you have faced while you were working as in different IT departments in different hospitals.
Well, as a IT manager, we have faced a lot of challenges. I think the most important challenge is seamless integration of the various systems that we are using in hospitals. Like as you are aware about, we don't have a single software or a solution for the entire hospitals. We have to use multiple systems. Like we have a hospital information system for billing and inventory management. We have a EMR or electronic medical records for the consultants. We have a patient feedback system or CRM. So integration of all this system, the seamless integration of all the different system is, I think, is a major challenge. And the second challenge is the working with different department. Like we have all different department, so the control and control between all department is a difficult task, because at a time some different department they have different aim and different function which is contradictory, but we have to find out the aim for the entire organization, and we have to control each and every department. Now we have to find out the security is in the global phenomena, security is the primary concerns, because we all know like the patient record is sensitive and confidential, so we have to keep the patient record secure. So that also is a primary concern with the IT manager.
Like digitalization is the new mantra today. Earlier, IT was supposed like it was, I mean, always accepted as a luxury and not as a necessity. But as the times are changing and everything is changing, and IT is getting engrossed and it is used to the fullest, in especially in healthcare scenarios. So, what basic aspects of IT, according to you, are required when it comes to the healthcare?
Well, healthcare IT solution like electronic medical record, telehealth, it was earlier considered as a luxury. Most of the time, hospital used only hospital information for the billing and inventory management purpose. But now, even the electronic medical record, telehealth are considered as essential for any healthcare organization. Even most of the organization, they are using the telehealth solution or their own electronic medical record. Even the consultants are now adopting the new EMR, when they are also preferring writing in a mobile devices or in a laptop as compared to writing in the physical format. So we are finding a more acceptance from the consultant and from patient perspective view. Even this EMR is used in the clinical decision support system also. Some benefits like reduced medication error, reduced pilferages, or the seamless integration between the different department are now part and parcel of a regular hospital information system.
So, Parth, as you have been working both pre-COVID and post-COVID, so how have things changed from everything being physical to now going digital? Majorly because due to COVID in the healthcare sector.
Mhm. Now, patient, I think previously thought, even we also thought as a patient, we can only way to find a healthcare is face-to-face meeting with a consultant. We go to the consultant, we discuss our problem with the consultant, consultant diagnose the problem and provide some treatment. But in the COVID situation, the entire scenario has been changed. now even the patient and consultant, they are meeting the virtually also. So there is acceptance from the patient and from the consultant both to use a telehealth solution. Earlier we have to convince the consultant like they have to use the telehealth solution, but now we are getting demand from the patient or the consultant for the telehealth solution. Even I think even in the post COVID scenario also, most some patient actually they will prefer the virtual consultation as compared to going to the consultant for the physical consultation. Uh, Apart from that, I find that in the COVID, some patient they are more comfortable to entering their own medical record directly in the our system. Like if we will provide a patient interface, the patient are accepting that feature. They can enter their own data as compared to data entry by the clinical staff.
Definitely. So one last question, Parth, on your journey. So because you have been working in hospitals and managing IT for so many years, so how has your journey been as an IT person?
Well, it's definitely challenging, but satisfactory. Well, I first passed out as a MHA, that MBA in hospital management, and I got my campus placement in Hyderabad-based software company, where I was responsible for the implementation of hospital information system in various client hospitals in
Okay.
India and abroad. So that's I worked almost 7 years there, and I implemented in the different client hospital, the hospital information system, the EMR and inventory management system. But then I moved to the JP Hospital. I'm working from last 8 years in the JP Hospital, and I'm implementing different software solutions in the JP Hospital. It's really challenging, but it's interesting that we can directly affect the patient or directly interact with the patient, and we can change something in the healthcare by the help of information technology.
Definitely, definitely. So thanks, Parth, so much for joining us and briefing us how the global healthcare IT space is experiencing new advancements in healthcare information technology, and also for sharing your experience as a healthcare IT professional. We wish you all the best for all your future endeavors as a dedicated IT professional in the healthcare ecosystem.
Thank you, Smita, again for inviting me.
Thanks.